Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to stop email notifications on Reddit. So if you have newly created your Reddit account, you will see that there are a lot of emails coming from Reddit. So let's see how to stop that. First go to Reddit website and log into your account. So I already logged into my account. So after you logged in, click on this profile icon and click on settings. And here you see this email section, so click on that. So here you have to select and disable the notifications that you don't want to see in your email. So if you don't want to see any notification from Reddit, you can go ahead and turn on this unsubscribe from all emails. So I click on this. If you want, you can choose different sections according to your preference. Let's say, for example, if you don't want to see daily digest, you can turn off this. And yeah, you can customize and select different choices, the notification sections you don't want to see. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.